Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to do it in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So here it is. Now we need to search for the account or the video we want to do it. So let's click on this and this now, and you can choose any video and let's click here. And now we need to click on this right arrow over here. So let's click here, and here we can see Duet icon over here. So let's click on this. Now here we can see different options or the formats to do it. You can choose any of this. Now you can record it. After you are done with recording, you can click on this tick mark over here. Now we need to click on next. Now it's simple, you can write your description over here and you can choose your settings over here. Who can view this post, you can decide from here. You can choose any, everyone, friends, or only you. Now you can click on post to finally post the video. So this is how you can post a Duet video. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.